magical. Only she'd say everything you want to dream away. We are legends every day. That's what she told me. Turn your magical iceberg. She'd say everything you want to dream away. Under this pressure, under this weight, we are diamonds. I feel my heart beating.
Hello and welcome to the first day of the more narrative vlog, and full disclosure, this isn't actually the first day, this is the third day because we both completely wrote off our very first full day. We went a little bit too hard on the cocktails. Guys, remember, it's not a race. If you've got the premium drinks package, the drinks will still be there. Don't think you're clever by drinking, I would say, 9-10 cocktails on your very first day. So yeah, this portion of the vlog is we're just going to take you through our normal day when we explore different bars, different activities. If you've probably seen the first vlog, it was more of a condensed compilation of all the things that you can do on the ship. And this one's just going to be a bit more personable. So yeah, we didn't do much filming yesterday, so it's a completely write-off. But we did do a little bit of filming on the first night.
Three beeps on this horn. That means I'm engaging a stern propulsion. Going backwards.
The red and green ones we have to do what?
And the lateral marks. Just tell you which side of the road you're on, basically.
Side of the road?
Pretty much.
Even though it's not a road.
I'm just keeping it dumbed down terms for people like you.
Only got this love, this adventure over and out. And if we've only got this love, you get me through.
I'm pissed, by the way. Pounds on lightning links. Look at it, it just looks weird. It just looks weird. Oh, happy cruising, people. Happy cruising. So I got the toilet. What the what are you playing at?
Are you ready? Press it.
That's disgusting.
Yes!
Stop it.
See that as well?
That's naughty as that, like.
150 quid, right? That's not far off 200 to be fair, is it?
No, because that's times 2.
20.
That's 150. Look, in pound coins. Oh, pound coins. In pound. That's naughty, that, like. You're disgusting. Go on.
Go on.
And I was just done this. Yeah. Sick. That's disgusting.
20 quid.
Cruise log. 1:30 in the morning, first night, and I'm currently holding a partition door open. Otherwise, I just managed to go next door. Out to sea. I love my life. As you can see, we got a little bit drunk in the casino. So yeah, we've learned our lesson. We just need to pace ourselves. Don't go overboard, pun intended. And yeah, so this is what we get up to today. Excuse me, this isn't the book club. You're in the pub? What are you reading?
Loosely based on.
Ah, it's his other boyfriend. Loves a bit of James Bond, don't you? Now we'll play cards because this is what 40-year-olds do in the pub. We just play cards and drink beer. This is Stephen's face when he loses. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Good game.
Count them up. I thought it'd be worse than that.
I'm a tactician, aren't I?
Oh, he's such a big boy. Not like it. Guinness is a big boy's drink. You're a fanny.
That's not a nice Guinness, to be fair. I've had Guinness before and it's thicker and...
No, what you had before was a baby Guinness, you Doyle.
So this was called the Ship's Pinnacle. It's obviously red for port, green for starboard. It's supposed to be a compass in here, but it's not there. You're sitting there navigating using this, and you know what's going on. What was in that?
Thanks.
Pinnacle?
Thanks. How did you find your first theatre show?
It's good. She played the easier of the classics, I have to say. She played everything higher up just to make it sound good. Playing everything like keys of D major, which are the easiest keys to play everything on. She's good. She's obviously a talented pianist, but some better. I'm so bad.
But yeah, you're not allowed to take drinks in there. I got stopped at the entrance with 2 pints of Heineken.
And everyone else had wine.
And everyone else had wine, so I kind of like went, well, the old people have got all the wine. She's like, I'm taking it off the people as well. So I was like, okay. So yeah, Grand Theatre, you can't take your drinks in. Well, after a bit of a bimble out on the ship today, after playing cards 3 or 4 times at different places, went to see the show. What else did we do? So first half of the day today, we didn't really do much apart from play cards, have a few drinks. We did tackle the buffet again. It was no better than yesterday. It's just an absolute, it's just chaos in there. As you can see, it's just constant flow of people. I mean, the staff are doing the hardest, you know, with what they've got, but it's just absolute carnage. So yeah, then we went to the TV studio and bar for another drink and played cards again. We nearly got involved in the salsa class, but we just weren't feeling loosey-goosey enough. We changed now. We have got our speciality restaurant called Indochine, which is a French Vietnamese twist. And then we've got another show to go and see at the Grand Theatre called Moondance. So we'll see you at the first bar. sweet. I can taste the alcohol in it. Cheers. How's the chips?
Nice.
Flavour of that?
Crispy, crisp flavour. Ready salted.
3 crisps as well, guys. Table needs a bit of a white plate, but you know, can't have everything. Nice view though.
You don't wanna cross the line, but I'ma make you change your mind. You don't wanna cross the line, but I'ma make you change your mind. Feel it in my lips, you feel it in my kiss.
We've been to the casino every single day so far, and we don't have the budget to to afford that, so we're gonna try and stop ourselves from going. But once you've had a few drinks, get a bit loosey goosey, don't you? So, do you reckon?
I'ma make you change your mind.
80 pence.
Rubbish store though.
6. Oh, we'll have 18 pounds.
That's taking the hand as well.
3 times. Why is it times in a row?
It says all coins at 3 times.
Well then, more coins.
Come on.
Stephen, we're not going to the casino tonight, Stephen. Oh, we got a bonus re-trigger. Oh, because we got 3. We only needed 3. Now we got a chance to get all the progressives and stuff.
Oh, one of them fellas, is it?
And we've still got the free games as well. Go on then.
24 quid up there.
That's it. 24 quid, not
Make sure we
dollars. Ah, yes!
Get in it.
Back in the game,
We get
kids.
all of
Back in the game. Yeah.
So we need 5 of them to get that.
Yeah, but you can usually get them quite quick.
I'll take 13 grand like, if we get another few of them fellas.
I bet you will. What you need to do is you need to get a treasure chest and it wipes all them clean, so you get like more clean spaces.
Yeah, something around it.
I don't know.
Yeah.
One more spin. Go on, get a treasure chest. Treasure chest! Oh, go on. Do it! Yes! Got it. All in free spaces now. Go on, Stevie. Go on, get a multiplier. A treasure chest and an extra spin. Not bad on a pound a spin this like. Keep it going. You can start giving us some progresses if you want. Go on, last spin. Plus the 57. So much for not going on IGTs. I know. And it thinks times 3 as well. Come on then. Come on. Keep it going, keep it going. We'll have that. That's 34 quid. We'll have 12. I'll have to reset back to 6 look.
Yeah,
That's 204 quid. That's about $230 for my American Canadian friends. Back in the game. So Stephen, how did the casino session go overall?
The casino.
We had a decent win on Treasure Box, but did you see any other bonuses? Did you? We lost it all.
I put mine back in.
Oh look, there's a silent disco that was supposed to go to.
You don't wanna cross the line, but I'ma make you change your mind. I can see it in your eyes that you wanna be polite, that you wanna treat me right. Oh my, I can see it in your eyes that you wanna be polite, that you wanna treat me right. Oh my,
Yo sé que estás intentando ser educado. Yo sé que me quieres tratar bien, pero no seas cortés. Yo sé que estás intentando ser educado.
you don't wanna cross the line, but I'ma make you change your mind.
How are you finding your Indochine experience?
Nice.
Mine's going down well.
Very tasty. The soup was my favourite. Very tasty and like spicy. So as much as like you sometimes just get spice that ruins the flavour. That was very, very flavourful.
What do you think of your main course though?
It's a bit meh.
Why meh?
I thought like the saucy bit with the beef in was really nice. But I think it was inundated by the flavourless rice noodles. Bean sprouts are nice. I like the bean sprouts and the garlic and soy.
But an enjoyable speciality restaurant
It's
experience.
wondering me why I'm picking meat from my feet.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was nice. Probably wouldn't come again, not my bag generally speaking, but what I had was tasty.
I go back.
The experience ruins me because of my various allergies and crustaceans and
Oh yeah.
shellfish. I would sit and worry about what I'm eating and that kind of takes the edge off the enjoyment of it.
My guy literally like dies of the smell of a prawn, don't you?
Make you change your mind. I see it in your eyes that you wanna be polite, that you wanna treat me right. Oh my, I can see it in your eyes that you wanna be polite, that you wanna treat me right. Oh my,
Want some lipstick with your wine?
I don't think I've got a choice because I'm not waiting half an hour for another one.
Give it a try then, sweetheart. My Penny Lee on a nice clean glass is absolutely delicious. How's the infused flavours?
Strawberry flavoured lipstick with me Chardonnay.
It's 11:15. This is the earliest we've been to bed. So no silent disco for us tonight. Our first dock day tomorrow, so go out, be productive, do things, see sights and things. Anyway, don't know what this is going on in the vlog. Good night, God bless. I'll really say.
I'ma make you change your mind. Ow.
But before we start the day, I'd just like you to show you my handiwork. I've got my masters in marketing, not engineering, but seeing as though the shit won't do naff all about it, here's my solution. An old crusty sock against the top. Lovely. How's the gym today, mate?
Nice.
How many miles on the treadmill did you do?
10.
10 miles? No, you didn't. In half an hour? Nice sweat patch there.
You trying to do some exercise, you fat knacker?
I have. I've walked to the balcony, had me coffee.
Part of the call and take it back to mom. Ignite in the heat of the moment, get those sparks. Go to the ceiling, we're burning bright. When we cut the light.
Stephen, how was your breakfast?
Nothing special.
But yeah, with regards to the buffet, definitely walk towards the back because it's just less chaotic. The stations repeat themselves 3 times, and all else fails, you can sit outside in the balcony bit. And again, whilst you're in these areas, it's warm and it's sheltered, so there's not much wind. But yeah, just like no sausages, no black pudding, no mushrooms. What's that about? But you can't go wrong with a bacon sandwich. I'll see you on shore. What kind of bar do you do?
Depends if you get a card, because you decided we don't need flipping euros.
Pirate ship. Wow. It's a pirate's favourite letter.
You think it'd be hard, but the sea is where my heart is.
Yeah, that I need you and I can take you all the way, and I'm able to give you something sensational. So let's go. Yeah, said I need you and I can take you all the way, and I'm able. So follow me and I can make you.
So we walked about 10 minutes away from the marina and we found this little coffee bar called 100 Montaditos. Apologies if the pronunciation's wrong, but this translates to 100 assembled. But we also think it means 100 things on a menu. But for €2 a pint, can't really fall off. Just a little bit away from the marina. I say it's worth the walk from some cheap super bock, but yeah.
If you're not a pint, it's 50 cls, which is like half a litre, which is half a pint. Like less than half pints, you find 568 ml.
Well, thank you for that, Stephen. We do love transparency on this vlog.
There's an English little sailing boat off the coast of Germany. And it strikes a big rock in the sea. It starts taking on water, so the crew are like really panicked and like don't know what to do. And anyway, they have to give a mayday call. So they shout over the radio, "Mayday, mayday, we are sinking, we are sinking." And the German Coast Guard came back to us, like, paused and said, "What are you thinking about?"
Is that it?
Yeah.
We definitely recommend the €2 Super Bock bar.
Because we're tight.
Because we're northern. But yeah, now we're just gonna do some more touristy things. Bye. Anyway, we've come up to another bar. It's called Nipa. But how much for a pint?
€5, I think.
€5. We've burnt ourselves. Do you think I'm a catfish? Yo bro, wanna go to the club? Hello young man. Yo bro, wanna go to the gym and do some sets?
How you are? Like, the top of your head and see how bald you are.
Wow, thanks. You're not exactly full head of hair.
More hair than you.
Whatever. made it back to the cabin eventually after how many minutes waiting, do you think?
I've been about an hour just under.
We had a fun day in Madeira. We found a nice cheap bar and we thought we did the right thing. €2 pint.
Super bock as well.
Super bock. And we thought we were doing the right thing by going back 2 hours early, but literally there was another 5,000 people that thought the same thing. As you can see in the clips, it was just absolute chaos. They were letting on, I think it was 8 people at a time to go through the security, and there was one for assistance and assistance and
one for yacht club, darling.
7 people at a time. There was literally thousands of people queuing to get back on. So not the best embarkment process. But now we've got a show. What's the show called?
4 strings and fireworks. I'm expecting some exuberant cello playing or something, or fiddle playing. I don't know. Or what small.
There's a joke in there somewhere about your fiddle.
Hey.
Anyway, we're now going to go out. We're kind of dressed up. Casino.
I've got a £15 next t-shirt.
Alright. Bye. Did you enjoy your violinist show? It was good. And now it's the Fremont Street experience. What's next on the agenda, Stephen?
We'll order a drink ready for tomorrow.
Stephen's upset about the drink service. It hasn't been awful, but it hasn't been amazing.
Tell the truth. We ordered a drink in here.
Okay.
25 minutes after arriving, after we were sent away from the bar. Before our drinks after you arrived in here, you walked to the toilet, went to another bar, and brought the drinks back. That is awful.
I'm trying to be positive.
That is an inexcusable level of customer service.
So I walked to the toilet at the other side of the ship, found an empty bar, ordered these drinks. These drinks appeared.
And that wasn't even what you ordered.
But it's alcohol and it's fine. Because 1 hour holidays, life is too short to get upset about queues. Apart from the queue, that took an hour and 10 minutes to get back on the boat.
Seize the day, 1 hour holidays. However, if you pay to go to Butlins, you expect Butlins service. If you pay to go on a nice cruise ship, and you pay for all of that service and the meal, you expect a better level of service. It's all very well saying we're on our holidays, but at the same time, the cruise should reflect it.
Anyway,
MSC, if you're listening, when he posts this shit somewhere that no one watches, we ain't coming back. The cruise line shit, we're going to tell the world.
300 people might see this, they won't care. But anyway, we're going to enjoy these drinks.
300 people that might see this, don't go on MSC.
You're looking at yourself, you look at the green light.
Don't go on MSC.
Anyway, we're going to finish our drinks, and then we're going to go for our dinner. And then we're not going to the casino. We're not going to the casino. Whatever. Anyway, bye. So Stephen, we just come out of the bar, the Atelier. What did the waiters tell us? We won't tell any names. What's the fish? Fish nice.
No, I'm not getting involved in this because there's literally only one member of staff working in there tonight. So if we say what bar we're in, it gives it away, doesn't it?
One of the members of staff actually told us, I'm so sorry about the service tonight. if you'd like, my manager's just over there. She pretty much told
we
us.
were like, no, we know how hard you're working.
Yeah, we're really
and she's
hard,
like, please tell him we need more staff.
Yeah, she's like, nah, please tell him now.
Just so you know, we're not sat in the seats of the racing car.
But we are about to go for dinner. But this just gives a little bit of an insight into the passengers' kind of like qualms about how understaffed they are. The staff are now saying to us to complain to the managers because they're now getting sick of being complained at. So yeah, alright, bye.
Like it ain't a choice for you, like you got a job to do. Just want you to raise my roof, something sensational.
Stephen, how was your evening meal? Out of 10.
5.
5. What was your best bit?
Dessert. And royal cake.
How was your wine?
Cheap and nasty. Tastes a bit vinegary. It's got like
Well, you are on MSC, not Canaries, you know.
Cunard. That's what man property. You have to pay for that.
You got a job to do, just want you to raise my roof, something sensational.
I'll tell you what, you're not doing too bad. $1.76. Ooh, times 5. Oh, times 3. That's so decent, that roll. Oh, you've got the jingle. You've got the jingle.
Is it really that much?
Yeah.
Hey.
Cocktails are on Stevie.
And the drinks packet.
And their drinks, mate.
You'll wait.
Where's all your money gone? Turtle face.
2 turtles in the field. One turtle goes to the other turtle and goes, turtles live in the field?
Yeah.
Yeah. And one turtle goes up to the other turtle and he says, when it rains, does the water gather in here? And the other turtle turns around and says, no.
And that's the joke. Stephen, so we're in the mucky pub with our waters. Hey, good night.
Good night, yeah.
Yeah, we couldn't help ourselves. The thing is when you're on this like drinks package, you just kind of like lose sense of like any kind of maturity. So we got our bottle of waters from the casino, and then we saw the live singer, and then we just ended up getting another drink. Cheers. See you in the morning.
Good night.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Thanks.
Gesundheit.
Day 5, and this isn't vodka eye, this is just tired eye, because I don't know if you can hear, the door still hasn't been fixed. We also had an incident last night across the way of some, I'd say 14, 15-year-old girl banging on the door at quarter to 4 in the morning, trying to get in. So not a peaceful night's sleep. So today we are stopping off at Gran Canaria. We still don't know whether we're going to get off or not, just because of all the chaos that ensued yesterday. So yeah, so we'll see. We've just had our breakfast delivered. I'll show you that in a second. Some pastries there. Stephen's got his muesli. Some milk, coffee, and some cold toast. Thing is, my issue is like we've told them 3 times about it now, and all they do is put ours and the neighbour's door against it. But like that puts like 2 chairs out of you, so unless you want to be sat there, like they've just made no effort to a more permanent solution. So what they're going to do when we get off the ship in like 6 days, they're just going to expect someone else to put the sock there. Anyway, we will not let it ruin the remaining of the cruise. We will utilise our dirty socks. So cheers. May or may not see you in Gran Canaria.
Scandalous, so scandalous, yeah, scandalous. Let's not looks again, straight talk, sex appeal. One touch gives me chills, and we ain't even close, yeah. Roughneck all around, ain't been all over town. Show me how you get down, 'cause we ain't even close, yeah.
So we actually got off the ship and we are now in Gran Canaria, and we are sampling some traditional Gran Canarian cuisine. Stephen's feeling a bit ropey, and he just fancied some chips and a burger. So we've come to Gran Canaria to the Burger King, because that's what us Brits do, find a Burger King or a McDonald's. So yeah, bon appetit. So it turns out the Gran Canaria marina isn't a marina with bars, just boats. So we're just gonna walk back to where the shopping centre was. Probably see you back at Burger King in about 10 minutes.
Even close, yeah. Silent airs arrive. How many ways can you hit the spot? Show me.
I don't know how we've managed to sniff this place out, but look what we just found. So it looks like we're not going to bingo because we tried 3 different cash machines and they're all trying to charge me €7 to withdraw my own money. So stuff that. I think we'll come back to the ship after a nice day out in Gran Canaria. Nice walk along the marina. Oh, look at that fruit machine there. That bad boy. Nice. There is Gran Canaria ticked off the list. You enjoyed the day out? Stephen's still hanging. No more drinks for Stephen.
I think I've gone on a healthy relationship without him.
Alright. And we've walked past. Well done. Pat on the back. So we're 4 hours early before the deadline. And I don't see a massive queue as of yet. So far so good. It's looking good so far, Stephen. So far, so good. Not too bad. And just like that, we are now back on the ship in the shade. Stephen's reading a book. James Blunt, obviously. Having a few beers. Don't know whether you can hear that music, very reggae. How are you feeling?
Alright now. Beer's not going down well yet though.
The what?
Beer's not going down well yet, but I feel alright.
Well, you need to make most of your premium drinks package, mate.
We have them 2 nights, we've drunk for it.
Nice toes, haven't you?
Oh, we're picking faults with each other's body now, are we?
Go on.
Rudolph.
Hereditary. Yeah, it's not good. It's not alcoholism, I promise. So yeah, we're probably just going to stay for another hour or so, go back to the cabin. We've got no reservations tonight, we've got no speciality restaurants, we've got no special shows or anything, so we'll probably just go bar hopping, see how the service is, some food or some more drinks, and we can probably say we won't want to go to the casino, but knowing us we probably will. So see you in a bit.
It's my turn to chase the monsters away.
Thanks, James. So another tip for those that are on the premium drinks package, you don't have to go up individually for your drinks. They do allow you to do 2 drinks at a time on 1 card, and we've learned that, again, I probably banged on about it a lot already, but the Starship bar on deck 6 is like a hidden gem. No one goes there. I think everyone just thinks it's one of those specialities where you have to pay extra for it, but the bar towards the side where the robot is, there's always 2 people serving, and you know, there's always quick service. So got me 2 rum and cokes, and I've asked for the can to be separate. So yeah, great to come back to your balcony and just watch sail away from port. So cheers. Well, this is new. It's snowing in Gran Canaria. What the hell? Merry Christmas, everyone. So what's that little boat doing?
Now a tour guide. We've got a green band on. Normally it's just 1 colour. It's like marks the side of the road and such. That one just got a green band on. It tells you the preferred channel. It means your preferred channel in that case is to starboard, which is to the right. It stops people going on that side of the buoy instead of this side of the buoy.
Did you just make that up, or is that real?
That's cool as well, yeah. It's called preferred channel marker. So there's 2 channels. You can go to that harbour, you can come to this harbour, and that says it's in this one.
Heard it here first, people. The preferred channel marker.
Let's not looks again. Straight talk, sex appeal. 1 touch gives me chills, and we ain't even close yet. Roughneck all around, ain't been all over town. Show me how you get down, 'cause we ain't even close yet. You got me feeling weak. Listen as I speak, 'cause I'm living as a creep. You got me going crazy, and you know I can't sleep. Let's watch your moves, and you hypnotize me. You got me trembling like a little baby girl.
We're singing a classic from James Blunt's repertoire.
You're beautiful.
I'm going to go for his Dark Thoughts from his latest album.
Wow, sounds really, really uplifting.
Just to say goodbye, and all I found was a fuss inside. Chandeliers and the trees, ceramic bees, they're just covered in leaves.
And I know I've probably banged on about it about 5 times already. But you see the Mr. Robot, he charges 14 quid. Hello! Well, you probably not, because there's one in Vegas, mate. There's one in Vegas. Shush. Anyway, next to them, there's the Starship Club, and that's where you get your drinks. That's where you get your drinks, because people think Starship Club is all about paying the robot 14 quid. You just go there instead. Cheap as chips. But there's a full length view of the promenade. Lovely, glitzy, shiny. Oh, waitresses getting the drinks. It's nice. Tell people what your qualms are.
It's not a big casino. The only place inside where you can smoke. So if you don't want to play casino, just come and sit here, block on the machines, smoking, blowing smoke in your face, taking up all the waitresses' time because they're dealing with people that shouldn't be in this bar. Get out if you're not gambling. Simple, innit?
What else? Can any of my Vegas people, if they're still watching this vlog, tell me what this manufacturer's called? Because you look on the machine, you can't see anywhere what it is. Well, it doesn't look familiar to me.
All there, black and white, clear as crystal.
It seems very, very MSC exclusive. And Stephen's lost 50 quid on it already. He's got something on this random machine. Is that it?
I'm sure it's
No, that's it, that's all you've got.
No, surely that's just for the vineyard, man.
Nah, that's all you've got, mate, that's all you've got. You got 15 quid. So, this equates to a $2 bet, so don't give me any shit. £1.76 a spin. Stevie wants to go to bed because he's tired. Come on then. Do it! Give us some coins! 60 pence, thank you. We'll have £14.60 pence, thank you. Give us some balls. Or some wilds. That looks nice. 28 quid. How many free spins? Oh, we got halfway through. That looks good. We'll have £19.20. Come on, give us some balls. £8.40. 3 spins left. Connect. Yes, it's connected. 14 quid. Love it. Where's the balls? Give us the balls. Nah. She didn't give us the balls. Ish bish. It's alright. Keep us going for the 30 quid. So even though you miss the buffet and you miss your dining times, in the buffet area they have pizza and fries and this weird stuff until 2 o'clock in the morning, which is good when you're drunk to soak up all the shit. Happy cruising.
Just like